Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. Today I've got a quick and super cool Canva trick for you. How to create stunning social media designs in just a few simple steps. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, we're going to use a line graph effect to get that sleek professional look. But here's the key. It needs to be transparent. You can find one directly on Canva or even do a quick search on Google. For this example, I'll be using a fireline effect to create a dynamic motion around Lamine Yamal, the rising Spanish star who's making waves in Europe. Once we have our fireline, let's drop it onto the canvas and make sure it's perfectly centered. Now we duplicate it, just copy and paste, so we have two identical firelines stacked in the exact same position. Now, it's time to bring in our main subject, the player's photo. Add it to the canvas, resize it, and make sure it's centered. This image should also be transparent, and here's why. We're going to place it between the two fireline effects. Now, head over to the Layers panel and adjust the order. Place the player's image between the two firelines. Reduce the size of the top fireline so that it cuts off at shoulder level. This gives us that amazing pro-level effect. And just like that, you're done. Simple, right? A few easy steps and you've got a next-level social media design ready to grab attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments what Canva tricks you want to see next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next one.